In this video, we're going to talk about conversion between number bases. We already have examples on the screen, so let's quickly jump onto the first example. So I'll write solution. But before we solve the example of conversion of 125 base 7 to base 5, there is something I want to tell you about conversion of number bases. If you want to convert one base to another, you convert the base you are in to base 10. Then you convert it to the base you want to convert it to. So let's say you want to convert base x to base y. X and y could mean different things. Could mean base 2, base 3, base 4. You first convert base x to base 10. Then you convert base 10 to base y. So those are two simple steps you need to take to convert between number bases. So in this case, as we're converting from base 7 to base 5, we first convert from base 7 to base 10, then base 10 to base 5. To convert from base 7 to base 10, the first thing we want to do is to multiply each of these numbers by 7. So we'll say this is 1 times 7 plus 2 times 7 plus 5 times 7. The next thing we want to do is to give each of the 7s a power starting from 0. So starting from this side, we'll say this is 0. Then we'll go to the next 7 and give it a power of 1. Then we'll go to the next 7 and give it a power of 2. So as we are going towards the left, the powers are increasing. This is equal to, then this is also equal to, we say 1 times 7 to the power of 2 is 49. Plus 2 times 7 to the power of 1 is 7. Plus 5 times 7 to the power of 0 is 1. From here, this is equal to 1 times 49 is 49. Plus 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 5 times 1 is 5. If you add up all these things, you get this is equal to 49 plus 14 plus 5 is 19. 49 plus 19 is equal to 68. So this is 68 base 10. So let me clean up this space. To convert 68 base 10 to base 5, we draw out a table. So this is a table. And then write 68 base 10. Since we are converting 68 base 10 to base 5, we divide through by 5. So here we'll have a 5. The next thing is to say 68 divided by 5. 68 divided by 5 is 13 remainder 3. Then we now say 13 divided by 5 is 2 remainder 2. So we'll now say 2 divided by 5. It doesn't go a whole number of times. And since 5 is greater than 2, we'll just write 0, then bring this 2 down here. So we'll write remainder 2. Okay. So we pick the numbers from the bottom to the top. This would mean that we write it as remember the number we are converting from is 125 base 7. So we say therefore 125 base 7 is equal to 223 base 5. So that's it for the first example. For the second example, we are asked to convert 110 base 2 to base 3. You can pause the video and try to solve it yourself. So like we did before, if you're converting from base 2 to base 3, you first convert from base 2 to base 10. Then you convert from base 10 to base 3. Okay, so the first step will be to convert from base 2 to base 10. Let me clean up this space. To convert 112 to base 10, we multiply each of these numbers by the base. So we say this is 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2. Then we assign each of the base numbers a power. So the base number here is 2. So this will be 0. As we're going towards the left, it becomes higher. So this will be 1. This will be 2. From here, this is equal to 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 0 is 1. This is equal to 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0 times 1 is 0. From here, we have equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is 6 base 10. The next step will be to convert 6 base 10 to base 3. So to do that, let me clean up this space. So now we are converting 6 base 10 to base 3. So we draw a table and we write 6 base 10 on one side. Then since we are converting to base 3, we are dividing through by 3. So we say 6 divided by 3, we know that it goes in twice, remainder 0. Okay, we now say 2 divided by 3. Since 3 is greater than 2 here, we say this is 0, remainder. We pull this one down, so this will be 2 here. Then we pick the numbers from the bottom to the top, so that we can write 110 base 2 is equal to 20 base 3. So let's take the last example. For the last example, we have to find 20 base 10 to base 4. Now, remember what I said. If you're converting between two number bases, first of all, you convert from the number base you are given to base 10. Then you convert from base 10 to the required number base you want to convert to. But in this case, we already have base 10 here. So what we are doing is to convert from base 10 directly to base 4. I could just simply say, draw a table, and this will be 20 base 10. This is 4, since we are converting it to base 4. From here, I would say 20 divided by 4, that is 5, remainder 0. And then 5 divided by 4 is 1, remainder 1. And then 1 divided by 4, since this number here is lesser than this number here, we stop our division. So this will be 0, remainder. We pull this number down here, 1. Then we pick the numbers from the bottom to the top, and then we say 20 base 10 is equal to 110 base 4. So that's how to convert between number bases. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.